Hello and welcome to the Don and Gino Mortgage Planning Team. So why Don and Gino? That's a really good question, isn't it?
Well, Don, one of the greatest things is our team. We've hand-selected these team members over years and years of mostly Don's experience from multiple companies, cherry-picking the best of the best to make sure that you get the best of the best for your transaction.
Yeah, it's integral to who you are working with. It is important to make sure this team has all the experience needed to get you through the trials and tribulations that can happen in a real estate transaction, whether it has to do with the financing piece of it or the property piece of it. I can assure you that our team is not only the best in the business, but they truly care, and that's why we've chosen them to be part of our team and therefore part of your team.
So speaking of that, we believe that you are part of our team because without your help, we cannot help you achieve your real estate goals. And I think that's imperative to your success.
And having the right team helps us be prepared the best we can to make sure you have a very smooth transaction, an informed transaction, one that's going to get you from point A to point Z in the best way possible.
In fact, I'll tell you that one of the things that I see with our team is that we can foresee potential issues before they happen. And that is imperative to make sure that you have a smooth escrow process.
No doubt. So who's Skyline? Why Skyline? You heard a little bit about Don and Gino. Well, Skyline Home Loans has actually been around since 1985, not the new kids on the block.
I was a mere 7-year-old when Skyline was incepted.
You always got to throw that out there. Bottom line is we have the experience. We have been around the block for a while, and a direct lender is someone that gives us actually the opportunity, Gino, to find you the best program going. It's not a one-size-fits-all.
I'll tell you a little bit about direct lending, since that's a term that's thrown around very loosely. What that means is that we can afford to give you predictable results because we're always working with the same underwriting staff, always working with the same operations managers, underwriting managers, and management. So we can deliver predictable results for you.
And they care about us and making sure that we do the best job we can for you. So another facet that we love, first-time home buyers. We understand that this is maybe your first time or your child's first time in purchasing their first home. So we walk you through every single step and we give you a total cost analysis that breaks out every option along the way so that you are fully informed of what the costs are, what the payments are, what your options are, so you can make a comfortable decision and feel good about that decision.
Well, I'll tell you, I've purchased multiple properties in my life, Don, and I can guarantee you unequivocally that the first property I ever bought was the hardest. It's such a difficult decision to make as a young person. I bought it when I was 22 years old. I needed somebody to walk me through, and I would have appreciated to have someone like Don Tasinovich on our team who's masterful with first-time home buyers.
No doubt about it. So, also because we are a direct lender, we're tied to multiple investors. We're not tied to just one bank, which allows us to offer multiple products and the right product for you. We ask the right questions, we do our research, we provide you why these options are best for you and let you make an educated decision based on those.
I mean, the beautiful thing, Don, is we have options. If you work with a particular banking institution, they don't have a lot of options. They have their one product. If you work with a broker, they have a lot of different options, but they may not have your best interest at heart, and they definitely can't provide predictable results because they have to deal with a different underwriting team and a different processing team every single time.
Well, also to help you navigate through what could be a challenging or exciting time. If you have the right team, it can be a very exciting time in purchasing a home or refinancing a home. So you want someone who's fully informed, and I believe that Gino and I and our team are the most informed possible. In fact, we're going to share with you how we do that on a regular basis. You see from this interest rate chart that we follow on a daily basis to know when's a good time to lock and when's not a good time to lock. We know why interest rates are moving, and this is why.
That's right. For 4 years, Don and I have been doing the Don and Gino Real Estate and Finance Show, and that's weekly accountability to the public to make sure that we deliver timely truths of the real estate market.
Right. You can find out more at don&gino.com, but we've also, to help explain even more on a daily basis, because things change on a daily basis these days, we've also started the National Real Estate Cafe, which is a daily blog that we send out every day with what's happening in the economy, what's happening in the industry, what's happening in home sales, what's happening in interest rates. That's what we do every day. You can find out more at nrecafe.com.
So what we do there is we disseminate all the reports in the media and we translate them into what that means to you. So you could text NREC to 58885 for more information on the National Real Estate Cafe.
Well, hopefully you enjoyed this information and helping you decide who you should be working with with one of the largest purchases, largest debts of your life, and getting the true team behind you that really cares, because it's really about relationships. Our clients come back time and time again. They send their family members to us, and we'd like you to become part of our family so we can help you with your purchase, your refinance, your investment property, you name it. Don Getling, Gino Franti, we're here to help you out. Please reach out to us.